The speed at which the patient travels using the UPWalker Neuro can be controlled by the speed control damper on each rear wheel. Turning the knob clockwise, more resistance is applied to the wheel. Counterclockwise reduces resistance. This feature works independently of the handbrakes located on each handle, which includes a parking brake feature. The reverse stop mechanism can be engaged with one's hand or foot by sliding the lever located at each rear wheel back. To adjust the armrest height, push in the gray tab and raise armrest to desired height, and release gray tab to lock. To adjust the hemipelegic armrest, you will first release the cam lever. Now you can adjust the handle in and out as much as 90 degrees. Once in its final location, you will tighten the cam lever so the handle does not move. In addition to the armrest rotation feature of the UPWalker Neuro, the handles can be rotated for comfort or impairment. To adjust, release the cam lever located directly below the armrest. Next, rotate the hand grip to desired angle, then close the cam lever to secure hand grip. The UPWalker Neuro has unique features of rotational armrest, speed control, and reverse stop. When the reverse stop mechanism is on, you will notice a clicking noise, which is an audible cue that it is engaged, preventing the unit from going backwards.
I like the way it stopped me from falling back.
LifeWalker has tens of thousands of satisfied customers enjoying their UPWalkers. Most of the following product features are on all UPWalkers. The unique features of the UPWalker Neuro are armrest angle adjustment that hemiplegic users may benefit from, the UPWalker bridge that provides enhanced stability with impaired patients, the backup prevention brake, the resistance brake and speed control, the motion activated safety light that is rechargeable. It is also important to note that surfaces of the UPWalker Neuro can be easily cleaned or sanitized.